If you want to generate images using an AI-based text-to-image generator, Midjourney is one of your best options. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about another one of Midjourney's feature, how you can upload images to get different results.
There are two ways you can upload photos to the Midjourney bot. Number one will just give you a series of 4 prompts based on the photo, and the other will allow you to merge 2 or more images. So for that, of course, you'll have to know the command. So for merging, the command is /image. And as you can see, I can blend images together seamlessly, and I can use the describe prompt to describe the image. So let's do the blend one first. And as you can see, I now have 2 boxes to upload images. So I'll just click on this box and head over to where I've saved my image. So this is image 1, and then this is image 2. Once you've selected, the images will already be uploaded thanks to Discord. You can also add more images using image 3, image 4, and image 5. So all you have to do is just write more. You can add up to 6 images. So let me just add one more. So I can do image 3, press enter, and as you can see, I have another box here. So for this, let's see what I can upload here. I can just add another one of my profiles. And once you're done uploading all the images, just hit enter. The Midjourney bot will send the command to the server, and it will start showing you progress right here. As you can see, it's waiting to start, and it will start working in just a little bit. As you can see, it's already started. Here's your progress. Here's the rendering speed. And now you just sit back and relax. So as you can see, maybe combining your profile images with anime icons isn't exactly the best idea, but that is one way how you upload images to Midjourney. The second way will describe what a prompt will look like from an image. So I'll type the describe command, and it asks me to upload an image. Once again, I'll go back, I'll upload my image here, and all I have to do is hit enter. Once again, it will be sent back to the server. Midjourney will process the image, and then you shall have your prompts shortly. So as you can see, the command has given me 4 in-depth prompts, and I can use these prompts to further generate more images like this or get more ideas, and it even gets the aspect ratio parameter right. Do keep in mind that unless you have the Pro and the Mega plans, or you're working in private mode for Midjourney, any images that you upload or that Midjourney processes eventually will be on the Midjourney server, meaning they'll also be in the public domain. So be wary about that. But other than that, here are the 2 ways you can upload images to Midjourney.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.